pawis ko. Ate, gutom na po ako. Nakita ko yung shop niya, no? Nakita ko yung shop ni Snooki. Snooki Snerna. Where are we going?
We're going to a market at Ocean Marina.
Okay.
So be
Wait, let me
careful
just...
of cars.
There are people in that van. Look at my hair.
Wow, nice. A good hair day, not a bad hair day.
And then later it will be flat.
Birds.
So tall and... No, I'm
To
just
wear
short.
heels.
I'm just,
Plateau shoes.
You're wearing heels? Oh.
Not really. A little bit.
Okay, wait. We'll pause it first and we'll show you
When we get there.
when we get there. Here. We're here. There are some shops over there. I hear music. There's a lake. Say hi, Yana.
No, it's only for adults. There, look at
How are you? What's that?
So nice here.
You were not here.
I'm getting
No, you
hungry.
weren't
I
here
thought
last
it's
time. No?
food. Yana, look at them. They're all dressed up. For me, I'm
We all dressed up.
Yoda. Yoda dressed up for me.
We all dressed up.
Okay, so we're gonna look for food. We're gonna look for food now.
Yes.
Look at all the
Jay's
shops
Burger.
here. Noodle shop. They have smoothie shop. I think I know. I'm gonna have a pork satay. I'll just have a pork satay. I'll have a pork satay.
There's my burger.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the burger first.
It's different.
Okay,
It's
there.
different.
Blue Jay's Burger.
The guy is not here.
So Anne's been talking about this
They're
smash
coming.
burger that she had last time she was here, last year.
No,
And
they don't
she
have
said it's
that
not
burger.
here.
No.
They're not
I was
here.
looking forward to it.
Oh, the ribs look good. I think I'm just gonna have ribs. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong kakainin ko. Inumin ko na lang kaya itong pawis ko. Pawis na pawis ako eh. Recycle ko na lang, no? Bakit ba napakapawisin ko kasi? Nawawala nga yung mga kasama ko eh. Nawawala si Anne. Sa kanya pa naman yung mic. Ayan yung nakikita ko ngayon ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Ganda. Diba? May music. Nagugutom na ako. Wala na akong pake. Wala na akong pake. Gusto ko lang makahanap ng tindahan na walang tao. Yun, no? Na pwede kong kainin. Ala, pwede yun, no? Kaso ubos na. Sayang. May gulay-gulay dun. Inubos na nila. Walang dyan. Nandito na ako sa mga bilihan ng alak. Ayun, nahanap ko si Yana. Yana. What? Patay, what? Pad Thai. Sorry. So Yan's gonna get pad Thai. I don't think it's baked bacon with glass noodles. I cannot have noodles. I just want to be somewhere with not too much people. I think, yeah, I'm just gonna get this. Ito na lang sa akin. Ito ako nito. Tapos, yan ko nito. Ito. Ay. 2. Ito na lang sa akin. Tapos, pagkakuha mo nito, ibibigay mo yan doon kay ate. Tapos pipili ka ng soup na gusto mo. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Kasi nakahihiya ako magsalita ng malakas. Nakakaya magsalita ng malakas. Ayan, inaano na. Iniihaw na ni ate. Tapos ang in-order kong soup is mala soup. Number 71 tayo. 71. Ang init eh. Ang init talaga. Pawisin lang talaga ako. Antay lang tayo. Grabe, no? Parang yung pawis ko parang glitters. Nakakailang naman to. Alam mo yung nagsasalita ka tapos titingin sila. Tapos pag tinigin mo, kunyari, hindi sila nakatingin sa'yo. Ay, nako. Buti na lang kaya ko magsalita na hindi masyadong binuwa kayo yung bibig. Para hindi nakakahiya. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ang taas kasi. Masyado siyang mataas. Hindi ko siya abot. Tiyaneng! Ayan siya. Wow! Very nice. Isa dyan sa mga yan yung mga in order natin. Basta kukuha ka lang doon eh. Ano to eh, meron din version ito yung nasa conveyor belt siya. Tapos yung dadaanan ko kunin mo, may katumbas siya na price. Bawa, gulay, 5 baht din. Pero ito, may ano pala, may okra. Hindi ko nakita. Poksipjet. Poksipjet 67 na 71 tayo. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Diba? Ganyan yung ambience niya. Gandun. Look at that. Sabado ngayon, kaya kakain muna tayo. Pero walang rice, walang noodles, walang carbs. Puro lang siya sabaw, karne, ganon. Diba? Ang taas ni ate talaga, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ang taas. Ate, gutom na po ako. Ate, I'm hungry person. Hiwa-hiwalay kami ni Ann, ni Yana. Kasi si Ann, iba yung trip. Ako naman, inuna ko munang bumili ng pagkain ng mga bata. Si Yana naman, naghanap din siya ng food niya. So, hiwa-hiwalay kami kasi iba-iba kaming trip. Ganun talaga. Oo, binubudbura ni ate ng maanghang. Naglalaway tuloy ako lahat. Chai ka. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Okay, thank you. Dumating na siya. Yung ano nangyayari dun? In order ko. Shaneng! Tapos, kanina against the light ako eh. Tapos may artista sabi sa akin, uy, against the light ka, sabi niya. Ito siya.
Kailangan may lighting.
Ganda, no? Nakakainis yung mga kasama ko. Tapos, ang kulit kasi nito, natuwa ako kasi kukuha ka dun ng mga gulay tsaka ng mga meat.
Tapos lalagyan nila ng sabaw after.
Oo, tapos gaganon mo kay ate.
Manghang, hindi.
Maanghang. Hindi naman masyado, matamis. Nakita ko yung shop niya, no? Nakita ko yung shop ni Snooki. Snooki Snurna. Binuhos ko na lang yung sauce. Hindi ko alam kung ano lasa niya. Ito yan, tinamihan ko. Hindi ko man lang tinikman muna. Binuhos ko na lang. Hindi ko tinatry. Buti masarap. Imagine mo kung hindi masarap to.
Parang pumayat siya lalo.
Pero malakas naman siya kumain.
Baka
Magbibinata na eh. Ayun! Yeah! Triangular person.
I ordered spaghetti. Wait 45 minutes.
What's in it?
Shrimps, pesto shrimps.
So it's like you're pescatarian, but you're not vegetarian.
Even last time also pescatarian.
Jana's here.
I will go. I will buy here for like 20 minutes.
Okay. So I have a special guest. He'll be leaving comments on everything he sees. Okay, so what about I'm not gonna show his face though, but you have your mic on?
I don't know.
There, it's there. No. Please don't press any buttons. Don't lick it. So which of these cars do you like most? You have to tell me why you like it. And You have to guess how much it.
I like this one.
That one? You like this one?
Yeah,
Why? Why do you like that one?
because it's red.
There are other red cars here. Like this one. This is also a red car. Look,
Yeah, also I like all red cars.
you like all red cars.
Yes.
I like this one. Oh, no. Can't show your face.
It looks
I like
like
this one.
it looks like a train.
Oh, the cabbage rolls are back.
Look,
And
leche flan.
then some-
Oh, mommy, leche
What
flan.
leche flan? There's no leche flan. Ah, caramel custard.
It was leche flan.
Hey, you want to walk on that side?
Yeah.
Are we allowed to?
Yeah, it's okay. We're allowed to.
Oh, wow. Look.
Time
Look.
to swim.
Oh, look at this one.
And no, I like these.
So cool. Kasi ganyan yung mga yate, oh. Grabe, no? Kanina pala pinakain ng
Meh.
bunso ko yung ano.
Meh.
Itong baboy yung nagkakamot na parang aso. Cute. Cute eh.
Meh.
Teka lang, lalayo ako kasi nanguutot ako eh. Wait lang.
Meh.
Utot tayo.
Meh.
Saan ako uutot? Owl. May
Meh.
maliit na owl, may eagle. Medyo nakakaawa.
Meh.
Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman sila. No? Guys. Parang dapat malaya sila. Hello! Ah! Pagalitan ako. Bawal videohan. Bawal videohan kasi nga naman. Magbabayad ka sa kanila para picturean. Tapos pipicturean mo. Di ba? Sira yung negosyo nila. Ayan na. Nag-iilawan na sila guys oh. Kukunin na sila ng mga may-ari. Di ba?
Meh.
I like this one.
Meh.
Look at this. Ah,
ano?
it would be so hot, but you'd look so cool in
Meh,
this one.
by the way.
Ayun lang, busy na kasi si Anne. Ako naman siya istorbohin. Pero yun lang, napakita ko naman yata lahat ng may papakita sa inyo. This is Saturday night. Good night sa inyo. Enjoy your weekend, guys.